science! Hi, I'm Daddy. This is Daddy.
We're pretty good scientists. You may not know that about us. But in our spare time, we like to dabble with scientific endeavors. We're not just action heroes. So today, we figured we would do a little rocket science. We have here the makings of some rocket propulsion and some homemade rockets. This is my rocket, colorfully decorated with stickers, and I made some stands to help it stand up. Over there is Riley's even bigger and more impressive rocket. Today we're going to be using apple cider vinegar and baking soda, also known as
sodium bicarbonate.
nice, high five, which we will mix together, hopefully without exploding ourselves and breaking any windows in our house. Right? Now this is our first time doing this, so we have heard about it. We have seen some successful videos on the YouTube, so fingers crossed. It's weird that I can't do that with my left hand, but all right. Safety first, so safety goggles on.
Oh my god, safety goggles.
Uh-oh, where are your safety goggles?
I don't know.
Uh-oh. Time out for safety goggles. We're going to do Riley's rocket first. So first, we will unscrew the cap. And we will pour in the apple cider vinegar. Hold it steady. I have, probably should have done a little bit more research on how much to pour in, but we are scientists, so I feel secure in the knowledge that
Is that all?
we will have an innate instinct.
Okay.
Yeah, that looks good. Doesn't
Yeah.
it? Riley has signed the piece of solid amount. Keep going. Keep going. Yeah. Remember, we gotta make a burrito. Ah, mosquito. See what we're dealing with here. They're braving predators. All right, that looks good. The reaction should start occurring once the baking soda comes into contact with the apple cider vinegar. So, I don't want that to happen right away. So, hopefully it's not happening yet. I'm going to now shake it up and put it down. So, alright, after a disappointing first run, the great scientific minds of Riley and Daddy Save the World are back to give it another shot. We think we have learned from our mistakes. The answer is clearly to go bigger, right?
Yeah.
Clearly. So we are just going to amp it up the American way. If first you don't succeed, go bigger.
This is Daddy's I drew a smiley winky face with his tongue out.
That's my boy. That's my boy.
I love drawing stuff.
He really does. All right, so
I love Pokemon.
draws a lot of Pokemon. So I guess we just dump the rest of this in here, huh?
Yeah. Make it better. Make it
It doesn't
better.
look that like that I think that this container is a bit smaller than that one, so maybe the effect will be stronger. I found some more in the fridge, which Mama may not exactly know about, so. But in the name of science, right?
Yeah.
Science. All right, that's out of here. That's out of here. Okay. Oh my gosh, that's a lot. All right, commence with your burrito. You really are an excellent burrito smith. Fail two. Alright, so we've had 2 unsuccessful attempts.
Yep.
Frankly, I'm beginning to doubt this whole science thing. I'm a little bit disheartened. The first 2 I thought would be spectacular. It did not work really at all. But, science! Right?
Full science!
For science! Okay, so,
Full science!
yeah, I mean, our rocket doesn't even have stickers on it, so
That's actually pretty lame.
I mean, scientifically, it's not going to work as well. That's just basic science. But, positive outlook. So here we go. After 3 unsuccessful attempts, we used science to figure out, all by ourselves,
How to do it.
Mama figured out that we should probably be using a cork instead of using the caps on the bottles. So we have used the rest of our vinegar in the bottle, and we're going to give it one last shot. This is high stakes. This is it. If we don't make it here, we will probably give up on science for the rest of our lives.
No.
No? Okay.
We can still do a bunch more.
Okay. Prepare the burrito, good sir.
Like it's gonna be good. The words are gonna be
Well, you never walk away from the world's largest gummy bear, but other than that, science would be dead to me. So we're doing, my scientific instincts tell me 2 scoops.
Maybe 3.
2 scoops? Mama? I mean, I like second opinions. 2 scoops? Okay. Mama says 2 scoops will be good. Okay. So. No, don't. Okay, well. Alright, so that should be good. Prepare the burrito. Roll her up. Okay, here we go. Get in there, you filthy little. have to make this discovery, probably the greatest scientific find of the last 2 centuries? Wow. Wow. That feels good.
What do you have to say?
Bye.
Thank you to our assistant, Mama.